Okay, guys, welcome to my new course, How to Get Unlimited Referrals to Your PTC Websites. With this video, guys, I will show you my secret way how to get unlimited referrals to your Newbucks, NorthClick, ClickSense, GlobalBucks, or any PTC website. This is very important to get referrals so you can make money from your referrals. Of course, you can use this traffic to build your list. You can promote your affiliate link, and you can promote your landing page for building your big list. I will show you some of my referrals that I am getting daily from this strategy, and this method is fantastic to build your list, to get unlimited leads, and to get unlimited referrals, and from there you will make unlimited cash to your PayPal account or your bank account. Okay, so here you can see I am getting daily unlimited referrals. Okay, I am using different landing pages and different PTC websites, and I am getting a lot of referrals to my PTC websites, and of course I make money from all these referrals. I will show you how my earning from this method. I will go to PayPal. I will show you this earning with my PayPal account, so you can use the same method and you can get unlimited referrals from this system. Okay, so basically you can see I make from this method over $56,000. This is my earning from this system. I will show you my earning daily from this system. Okay, you can see my last 30 days. You can see every day I make money from this method. Here you can see over $373. Here $470, 450, 213. Okay, you can see here in the top, you can see my earning every day. I make a lot of money from this system, basically from this traffic. This is very important to get real traffic to your referral or your affiliate link. So I will show you my secret way how to get unlimited referrals and leads and sales. You can use this method, like I said, to promote Newbucks or NorthClick, Cash Travel, GlobalBucks, and ClickSense, and more PTC website. You can see last 30 days I make $8,349. This is a fantastic earning, and you can do it too. All you have to do is getting real traffic to your referrals and to your affiliate link if you want to promote a affiliate link program. Sorry. And of course, you can use this traffic to get unlimited leads and signups to your landing page, and you can build your list and make money from there. Okay, so how to get real traffic to your referrals? There is two ways that I will show you that you can use to get unlimited real traffic to your referral link or to your affiliate link or your landing page. Okay, so one of them is turbo website traffic.com. Okay, you can see turbo website traffic.com. This is a great website to get unlimited leads, unlimited signups, and unlimited sales. Okay, so like you see here, you have a order. All you have to do is go to order and type your name here, your email, and your referral link or your affiliate link. Okay, and choose your affiliate network. If you're promoting PTC websites, you can use others. You can see if you're promoting landing page, you can choose landing page or Perfly affiliate link. You can see Warrior Reply, Space Prep, Clickbank. Okay, this is very important, and you have to choose the category. Okay, so if you're promoting PTC websites, so basically this is make money, okay, or business. Okay, money making. Let's find here money making. And of course, you can get unlimited sign up to your Bitcoin if you're promoting Bitcoin websites or a Bitcoin referral link. You have to choose Bitcoin. Okay, and all you have to do is order now. You can see you can get 20,000 visitors to your referral link, only 12.94 cent. Okay, this is very cheap traffic, and of course, like I said, you can use this traffic to promote your referral or your affiliate link and getting unlimited leads. Okay, so traffic source number two that I want to share with you. This is one of the best traffic source, and it's called toptrafficads.com. Okay, this website is a fantastic website to get unlimited leads. Basically, this is my favorite website. I am getting a lot of leads. I am building my list using this traffic, and I am getting unlimited referrals daily using this website. So you can see here in the top you have an order, and basically this is like a turbo website traffic. All you have to do is put your name, your email, and your referral link. Choose your network and website category. Look at this, you can get 35,000 visitors, only 19.39 cent. Okay, this is a fantastic, this is great and very cheap traffic, and great to get leads and referrals slash signups to your referrals link and to your PTC website. Okay, so basically this is my two secret way to get unlimited leads, referrals, and signups. You can use this traffic to promote your PTC website, your landing page. You can build your list, and of course, you can use this traffic to generate unlimited signups to your CPA offers. This is a great traffic. Okay, so thank you for now for watching my video. Remember, you can make this money easy like I did. All you have to do is take action and don't delay. Start today. Thank you again for watching and have a good day. Thank you very much.